In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ecwid for beginners. If you've been looking to set up an online store quickly and efficiently, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step to get you started with Ecwid. First, we begin by heading over to the Ecwid website to create your account. This is a straightforward process and your gateway to the world of online selling. Fill out the necessary information to set up your account, and soon you'll be ready to build your online presence. Keep in mind that choosing a strong password is crucial to ensure the security of your new store. Now that you're registered, it's time to add products to your store. Navigate to Catalog and then Products from your Ecwid dashboard. Here, click on plus Add Product and fill in the details of each item you plan to sell. Be sure to include the name, description, price, and any relevant images or categories for each product. A well-detailed product listing can make all the difference in attracting potential customers, so take your time to ensure accuracy. Creating categories for your products is another important step. Again, head to Catalog, but this time select Categories. Click on plus Add Category to start organizing your products into a logical structure. This not only helps you manage your offerings more efficiently, but also aids your customers in finding products easily. Think about how you'd like to browse the store if you were in their shoes. Next, it's essential to set up your payment gateways. Go to the Payments section in your dashboard where you'll choose the best payment gateway option for your business, whether that's Stripe, PayPal, or another service. Follow the on-screen instructions to integrate your chosen payment method. Ensuring a seamless and secure payment process will help build trust with your customers. After that, configure your shipping settings. Click on Shipping in the dashboard and you'll be prompted to set up various shipping methods, rates, and zones. You want to make sure that you offer options that suit both your business model and your customers' needs. When your store's transactions are in place, it's time to customize your storefront. Head to Website and click on Edit Site. Here you can personalize the design and structure of your online store to match your brand's look and feel. Don't forget to add a domain name to give your store a professional edge. Before you launch, it's crucial to test everything. Preview your store thoroughly to ensure everything from navigation to checkout works smoothly. This is your last chance to catch any glaring errors that might disrupt the customer experience. Once you're satisfied with your setup, it's time to go live. Announce your grand opening to friends, family, and social media followers. Congratulations, you've taken your first steps into the world of e-commerce with Ecwid.